I had the opportunity to upgrade to a Masters Series Snap-on toolbox. So let me show you how we got from here to here. When you buy a Snap-on toolbox, what you're going to want to do is push it home. Don't put it in your truck, push it home. At this point, you've completed the durability test of the Snap-on toolbox. Try to make sure you have at least one meth head stop and ask you if you're selling/holding. All right, let's put all that shit back in that piece of shit. As you can tell, this is the Masterdebater series. Sorry, Masterbaters, sorry, the Master series. It's a little bit more difficult to put back together because fuck you. Anytime you pick up one of these toolboxes from an estate type sale, there's going to be some trash in them. So that's the first step. Just pick out the trash and chuck it. It'll make reorganizing it a lot easier. Let's keep doing it. There, doesn't that feel much better? You know, you look in a drawer like this and there's not a lot in here as far as tooling goes. And you got to take the same approach. You got to chuck most of it. Just keep binning stuff. You don't own any of the cars this stuff came off of. You're not going to find the opportunity to put it to use. Especially if you're a complete nutter like me. You've already got most of this shit stacked up. All right, let's have a look at some of the specials here. We got a Mac Tools little torque wrench. Sorry, a Torx bit wrench. Older proto socket. Mac Tools little ratchet wrench here. Sorry, let's see if we can do a little better for you. Little Mac Tools wrench. Several Mac Tools and Snap-on bits, torque bits. Got a little socket rail there. Got a little Mac Tools. This is a little bit beat up, but it says Mechanics Time Saver on it. It's storage for bits. Snap-on wrench rail. It's an older plumb wrench, or sorry, yeah, PL UMB 1 5/16. Same thing here, a little bit older. Although this is a proto professional. Got a plumb long drive socket and got a little extension adapter. So yeah, those are the specials. We'll clean some of them up and put them in a drawer. Life lesson 46, an inch really matters. So we're going to take a few minutes with the angle grinder here to re-mohawk the top of this beat up old Craftsman box, because the new Snap-on toolbox we got is just an inch higher than the old one we had. So again, an inch really matters. All right, she's in. Looks good. And I got more space for tools. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Talk soon.